Turtles Penguin Day by Valerie Gorbedge, retold by Emma in room 205. One night, little Turtle was listening to his dad read him a bedtime story about penguins. The next morning, he went to the attic and put on his dad's old suit. Little Turtle comes down from the attic to go to school. When approaching the school bus, everybody oohed and awed at the amazing costume. After arriving at school, Miss Dog read the kids the story that Little Turtle heard the night before. So they pretended to be penguins and played games all day long. Everybody danced and waddled like a penguin. At nap time, everybody dreamed about being a penguin. What will Little Turtle's mom think about Little Turtle's day? Read Turtles Penguin Day to find out.